Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. This has been such a tough endeavor to re-record this so many times, but we're gonna get it right this time, okay? Bear with me here. This is a short little 5-minute video. My name is Matthew. I'm working on this 1972 Ford Mustang, and even if I make any mistakes during this little voice recording, I'm going to send it anyways because I cannot keep doing this for 3 more hours. So, moving on. So, two things I want to address with you guys. So, I have been terrible with the upload consistency, schedule, all that good stuff. I hereby now, vow to make that better. I'll be putting out stuff for you guys so you can enjoy and learn maybe, and maybe even I suppose learning is kind of the yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy, seriously. And with that, my friends and family that are now aware of my YouTube channel, thank you for visiting. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate your viewership and all that good stuff. It's kind of weird. This is like just weird. I've never in a million years would think that I'd be doing this, putting out videos of myself, just doing stuff. I don't really think I have a remarkable life here. I mean, I'm not ever going to be an influencer. That's kind of just not my wheelhouse, and I don't ever want to be in that position. But I suppose I really do enjoy the idea of putting out stuff where my friends and family can see this kind of thing and just be, like you wouldn't otherwise know about it. And I don't see you guys nearly enough because I live in a completely different state. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope that you are here to stay. So anyways, with that, thank you guys for your viewership. And for those of you who I don't personally know, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are here to learn something. I will be putting out videos that are specific towards cars and, techniques and blah, blah. So those things I think are very valuable, especially because there's some things out there that, that don't have tutorials and guides on with these kind of classic cars. So I really hope to bridge that gap there a little bit in the next few videos. I have like an engine pulling video and, all this other stuff. So really excited about those things, and yeah, so many more other updates. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Yeah, my goodness, the necessity for catching my breath here is ridiculous because I've been re-recording these things like 5 years in a row. Anyway, so right now I'm under the car. I've taken off a bunch of things. So you saw that jiggling right there. That was the metal line that I had actually broke. I didn't have the specific tools for it, so I went with a couple wrenches. And because I kind of incorrectly did something, or kind of took it off but like at the wrong angle, it kind of bent the crap out of one of them, so I'll be having to replace that. Yeah, it's like $5-10, so it's really okay, it doesn't matter, but unfortunate nonetheless. But anyways, so this video, you saw me take off the fan, you saw me take off a couple of belts, and right now I'm currently working on the exhaust. In a couple seconds I'm going to walk on over, show you a cute little exhaust bolt. 3, 2, 1, and there she is. That's one of them. It's what bolts to the side of the engine there, and yeah, it's taking off that stuff. This whole thing was fun, let me tell you. Taking apart stuff is super fun, and as long as you have the torque specs in front of you when you are getting down to business and putting it all back together, you'll be just fine. I think one of the biggest principles of cars is, even if you don't necessarily know what you're doing, I mean, first of all, research as much as you can, but then second of all, put it back together the same way you found it, if not better. So, general kind of thing. Super cool stuff. And yeah, I'm really pleased with a lot of the stuff I've been doing lately. Again, I've been super busy. I got, a couple jobs, and I'm working on this car. I'm doing a little soap business now, so I will publicly say that I'm actually working on a soap business, and it's super awesome and cool. However, I won't be setting up a website for that. I want that to be word of mouth. So yeah, we'll get to that later. I'll set that all up later, but right now it's kind of my testing phase. Now it's very successful with the people who do use it, and I'm very happy about that. But I want to continue to get feedback and do all this stuff, so that way when it comes down to actually putting it out and making it public, then I will have these, for example, all the scents and stuff. That's all going to be finalized. But didn't think I'd actually be speaking about that today, but here we are. So anyways, I don't have very much time left, so I'm going to try to keep this quick. Let's see here. I think I'm going to be showing you something very soon. 3, 2, 1, and another bolt maybe? No. Who knows? Anyway, so yeah, just taking a bunch of stuff apart. And there's more updates later. I'm super excited for that. So I'll keep you guys tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Alrighty, guys. Take care.